The Changemakers Season 2 in association with CNBC TV18.
Welcome back. You are watching Season 2 of The Changemakers exclusively on CNBC TV18. Our next Changemaker is a global non-profit organization. The Foundation for Innovative New Diagnostics, or FIND, is driving innovation in the development and delivery of diagnostics to combat major diseases affecting the world's poorest populations. FIND is a WHO collaborating center for laboratory strengthening and diagnostic technology evaluation. It turns complex diagnostic challenges into simple solutions through unique partnerships with the private, public, and non-profit sectors. Take a look.
Diagnostics often do not exist, are inaccessible, or cost too much, despite being pivotal for guiding the best treatment for individual patients, for preventing the spread of disease and antimicrobial resistance, and for enhancing surveillance for early disease detection and monitoring. Diagnostics remain undersourced and overlooked. In 2016, a historic commitment was made to eliminate viral hepatitis by 2030. Hepatitis results in swelling of the liver that can be caused by viral infections or alcohol intake. Same year, WHO issued the Hepatitis C virus guidelines that provided recommendations on diagnosis. But these guidelines needed strong supporting evidence for proper implementation in pragmatic settings. To generate the evidence to support WHO guidelines and to address major obstacles that hamper HCV testing scale-up, FIND initiated the Head Start project that stands for Hepatitis C Elimination through Access to Diagnostics. The project is funded by UNITAID and is implemented in 4 countries, including 3 states in India: Delhi, Manipur, and Punjab.
We are headquartered in Geneva and have been present now in India for more than a decade. We work primarily with the Government of India in the areas of tuberculosis, where we are working directly with the National TB Elimination Program and have been responsible for majorly expanding the diagnostic capacity for tuberculosis in the country. Over the years, FIND has established more than 50 TB diagnostic laboratories, and more than 2.1 million patients have been diagnosed in FIND-supported laboratories. In addition to our work in tuberculosis, we also work with organizations like Indian Council of Medical Research on areas like antimicrobial resistance. We recently started focusing our attention on hepatitis C, and this was globally. And the primary reason behind that is that over 70 million people are currently infected with viral hepatitis. And this is primarily hepatitis C, which makes it one of the most common infectious diseases in the world today.
Globally, 71 million people are living with hepatitis C, but only 13.1 million know about their infection. That means 4 out of 5 people who are infected with HCV do not know of it. In India, approximately 6 to 12 million people are infected with HCV. It is an urgent problem to address. In recent years, HCV treatment landscape has improved. The new oral treatment is shorter, with a cure rate of over 90%. The cost of HCV medicines has also fallen in low and middle income countries, including India. But despite this, HCV diagnosis remains a major bottleneck in accessing treatment.
Punjab already had a program for HCV for general population. But with this FIND Head Start project, which was funded by UNITAID, we brought up a proposition to provide services at ART centers to cater to people living with HIV. And with this unique model, we brought the decentralization of services for HCV at one point, that was at ART center. And we have seen that within these 2 years, we have screened almost all the population at ART center. And decentralization of services which are close to community, they have brought good results.
The initiative is helpful. My relative was suffering from hepatitis C. I brought him here. He is now doing well and is cured completely. This initiative has made a difference to all of us.
Hepatitis C is a common co-infection among people living with HIV. One of the major challenges while managing HCV and HIV co-infections is the siloed approach to disease management. To increase likelihood of identifying co-infection, it is important that healthcare including testing services of HCV and HIV are integrated. It would give people an opportunity to be tested and treated for both infections at the same time, increasing the likelihood of identifying co-infection as well as decreasing the time to treatment and reducing the cost.
The Project FIND came into play in 2018, and their focus group was high-risk populations, which were people living with HIV, as they had a higher prevalence of hepatitis C amongst them. Then a hub and spoke model was started where our ART centers and OST centers, which were 24 in number, 13 ART centers and 11 OST centers were the spokes, and there were 4 hubs where the FIND, that's Foundation for Innovative New Diagnostics, put up 4 machines for doing the viral load. And in a single blood sample was taken, which was first used to screen for hepatitis C, and if the client was reactive, then it was sent to the that hub for checking the viral load, and if the viral load was detectable, they were put on treatment. I think FIND is doing an excellent work under this project Head Start, and it's helped us in meeting our goals by leaps and bounds.
FIND has impacted multiple lives by bringing testing closer to those who need it and continues to do so. Through the Head Start program in Punjab, 2,731 people have been cured, 21,905 yearly lives saved, and brought cost saving of rupees 71,20,788 rupees to the health system. Under Head Start project in India, FIND has screened a total 70,601 people for HCV and trained 439 healthcare professionals on how to use HCV diagnosis tools.
Well, through the Head Start project, FIND has demonstrated that simplified, integrated and fully decentralized hepatitis C testing and treatment can help achieve SDG elimination goals. On that note, let's take another short break. On the other side, we showcase one of the biggest diamond companies in the world on how it is giving back to the community where it operates from. We'll be right back.
The Changemakers Season 2 in association with CNBC TV 18